Hi guys, today let us solve some numericals based on the concept of moment of inertia. Find the moment of inertia along a horizontal axis passing through the centroid of the given section. Hence, here we have to find the moment of inertia of a horizontal axis, say xx, which passes through the centroid of the given section. Now, we observe that the figure is symmetrical about the y-y axis. Hence, x bar can be simply given as 400 divided by 2, that is 200 mm. Now, they have asked us to find the mi of the horizontal axis. Hence, here we have to take only the axis 1 1 for consideration. Now, let us draw the table. Well, the table will have the columns of the components, the area of the component, the distance of the centroid of the component from the 1 1 axis, the moment of area about the 1 1 axis, the moment of this moment of area from the 1 1 axis, that is ay square, and then the moment of inertia igx of each component. Now, coming to the first component, that is the rectangle with centroid g1. Area is given by b into d, that is 200 into 75, which will be 15,000. The distance of the centroid from the 1 1 axis is nothing but given by d by 2, that is 75 by 2, which will be 37.5. The moment of area, that is ay, is nothing but 15,000 into 37.5, which will be 562500. The moment of area about the 1 1 axis, that is a into y square, will be nothing but 15,000 into 37.5 square, which will be 210,93750. Now, the moment of inertia of the component, say igx, is given by bd cube by 12, as this is a rectangle. Hence, we have 200 into 75 cube divided by 12, which will give us 7031250. Now, similarly, consider the rectangle G2. The area BD is 600 into 50, which will be 30,000. The centroid distance is nothing but 75 plus d by 2 of the G2 triangle, that is 75 plus 600 by 2. Hence, we will get 375. Therefore, AY is given by 30,000 into 375, which is 11250000. The AY square will be given by 30,000 into 375 square, which will be 4.219 into 10 to the power 9. Hence, the moment of inertia Igx is given by BD cube by 12, which is 50 into 600 cube divided by 12. Hence, we get 9 into 10 to the power 8. Similarly, coming to the rectangle G3, the area is BD, that is 400 into 50, which will be 20,000. The centroidal distance is nothing but 75 plus 60 plus the centroid distance of G3, that is 50 by 2. Hence, we have 700. The moment of area AY will be nothing but 20,000 into 700, which will be 14000000. The moment of area, that is AY square, will be 20,000 into 700 square, that is 9.8 into 10 to the power 9. Hence, the moment of inertia Igx will be nothing but BD cube for this rectangle, that is 400 into 50 cube divided by 12. Hence, this will be 4166667. Now, summing up all the values, we have summation A to be 15,000 plus 30,000 plus 20,000, which will be 65,000. Similarly, summation AY will be 25812500. Summation AY square will be 1.404 into 10 to the power 10, and summation IGX will be 9.112 into 10 to the power 8. Hence, now y bar is given by the formula summation AY divided by summation A. Hence, this will be 25812500 divided by 65,000, which means y bar will be 397.11 millimeters. Now, the moment of inertia about the 1 1 axis, that is I11, is nothing but summation Igx plus summation Ay square. This is the formula. Hence, we have summation Igx, that is 9.112 into 10 to the power 8 plus summation Ay square, that is 1.404 into 10 to the power 10. Hence, we get the value of I11 to be 1.495 into 10 to the power 10 millimeter to the power 4. Now, they've asked us the moment of inertia about the centroidal axis, say xx. Now, from parallel axis theorem, we know that I11 is equal to Ixx plus Ay bar square. Hence, Ixx can be given by I11 minus A into y bar square. Hence, we have Ixx equals I11, that is 1.495 into 10 to the power 10 minus A, that is summation A 65,000 into y bar square, that is 397.11 square. Hence, we get the value of Ixx to be 4.7 into 10 to the power 9 millimeters to the power 4. Thank you.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live Magus videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start a class-like community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.